Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Mr. Balmer's YouTube videos. You're very welcome here because now I show you something which actually Windows 11 users should install. What you can see here is news about Windows 11. And this is specifically for the 22H2 function update. Okay, it's in German because I used the German Windows operating system or operating system with the language German or German language, and here you can see some information about what's new in Windows 11 function update 22H2. You can see if you're speaking English just the pictures, and you can see the difference what's in there in the store, so to say, for the update. Okay, so I go further. Just have a look here and you see a little preview of what you can do. So for the search you can do more. Then you have the symbol for that you can control or actually activate the microphone and stuff like this, so to say, in the taskbar. There are new emojis available. Widgets which actually you can show the relevant information displayed to you, the ones you want. Then you can set that you can start from the middle here instead of the left side or the right side. I guess from the left side it's usually by Windows 10, but this is Windows 11, so you can set it to start up directly from the middle of the taskbar. So you can also connect to someone you know through the taskbar itself, through a through a symbol on the taskbar. Then you have the ability to organize different windows or different windows how you want to put it in the right order or in a specific order, of course. Here you have the apps where you can access over the Microsoft Store. Some of them which are available, like the Microsoft Office, which I actually in some way can recommend because they have all the necessary tools if you work with text, spreadsheets, Excel, and all kind of things let me say it this way, things you can use for different kind of tasks you use. I say it that way. And you can also dock different apps in Windows, stuff like this. You can also organize or arrange it. Then you have the ability to install Windows or actually Xbox games on your Windows operating system. Just to connect to the cloud, that you can connect to the cloud or cloud-based games. I heard that the Microsoft 11 operating system from Microsoft, or so to call the Microsoft Windows 11 operating system, is the gamer operating system. So keep that also in mind, because from what I've seen, it already has amazing capabilities. And from my point of view, in general, the graphics is better. It's even faster. There's more performance, and in general, it looks better, and is probably also smoother. That's my point of view from what I've seen so far in games, or actually to use the Windows operating system in general. So I would, from my point of view, recommend, this is my suggestion, this is what from my experience I can tell, or I can say, I would recommend to upgrade to Windows 11, or actually right to say to Windows 11 Pro. Home or Pro, it should work fine. If you play some games on Windows, which a lot of people do, then I would definitely recommend, if you have the necessary hardware, to upgrade to Windows 11, Windows 11 Pro. So you can personalize for creativity and productivity here in different, actually in the whole Windows ecosystem. Is it to the backgrounds, the design, the desktop itself, and some overall views of what is displayed, the workflows. There are so many things you can adjust and organize the way you want it to look, right? And it should be easy to set it up, to see it, and to navigate through the designs, the control elements, and different kind of things you can actually do with the setups. Yeah. So this is a short overview what you can do with Windows 11. There are much more things you can do. This is just some tips here which you can go through, but from what I can tell you is, I recommend, from what I've seen and using Windows 11, that it is possible that you can even have a much better experience in all kind of things you do on Windows operating system, on Windows, on Microsoft Windows. So I can recommend Windows 11, Windows 11 Pro. This is a short update. Don't forget to update the latest function update from Microsoft Windows Update. So go to Microsoft Windows Update and download or install, if you'd like, the Windows Update 22H2, which just came out here in Switzerland on the 28th of September 2022. When it's available for you, I could recommend to update it, but that's up to you. So for me at the moment it works fine. I just downloaded it installed it, so to say upgraded it, and yeah, this is the first view I see. Everything looks even better in graphics. It is, from my point of view, even smoother in your overall use experience of Windows. And I'm going to test some games as well, and I'm going to update in another video how Windows 11 function update 22H2 on Windows 11 Pro is working for games, and I will let you know. So we say stay tuned. Thank you very much for your time, for listening, and as always, well, I would say it this way first. If you like, you can share this video to all the people you know. And of course, you also can like it in the first place by a thumbs up. And yeah, thank you again for listening. And as always, peace in.